Today we had a critical patient in the repair room, an iPhone 13 with a swollen battery. It came in with serious symptoms. The screen was slightly lifted and the back panel seemed under pressure. No time to waste, we rushed it to the operating table. Step 1, carefully opening the device without causing more damage. Step 2, removing the bloated battery. Gentle but quick, like a heart transplant. Finally, we installed brand new healthy batteries, sold everything back up, and gave it a clean bill of health. Now this iPhone 13 is back in action, no more battery bulge, no more danger. If your phone ever shows this sign, don't ignore. Swollen battery can be risky, get it fixed. Like this video if you enjoy the repair journey, and don't forget to subscribe for more fast and fun fixes. Thank you for watching.